What if we could upload 10, 20 or even 50 PDF documents and instantly extract exactly the data you need from all of them without reading a single page manually? That's exactly what I built. This is DocuMind AI, an intelligent document processing system that combines field extraction and a RAG-based question answering chatbot in a single application. Here's the problem this solves. Businesses deal with hundreds of PDF documents every week. Receipts, invoice, reports, contracts. Manually going through each one to find specific information, that's our work every single day. Let me show you how it works. First, I upload multiple PDF files. I can either type the specific fields I want to extract, like vendor name, total amount, date, tax, or I can leave it blank and let the AI automatically detect what fields are present in the document. And just like that, all the data is pulled out, structured and displayed cleanly. No manual copy pasting, no formatting, just the information you need ready to use. But DocuMind AI doesn't stop at extraction. Once your documents are uploaded, you can have a full conversation with them using the built-in AI chatbot. For example, I write what was the total amount spent on the March receipts. It pulls the relevant context from across all uploaded documents and gives me a precise sourced answer. This is powered by our RAG pipeline, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It doesn't just guess, it retrieves the actual relevant chunks from your documents and generates a grounded response. That means fewer hallucinations, higher accuracy. You can ask it anything: summaries, comparisons, specific values, pattern across documents. Under the hood, DocuMind AI is built with Google Gemini API for intelligent field extraction and document understanding, a RAG pipeline for the question answering system, Node.js for both frontend and backend, and it's deployed live on Hugging Face spaces, so it runs in the browser, no installation needed. So if you are a business that deals with the high volumes of PDF documents, this kind of system can save your team significant time every single week. So if you are interested in a custom document AI solution for your business, feel free to reach out. And if you want to try document AI yourself right now, the link to the live app is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.